This is a EOCEAN tripod. So here it comes in a good packing. This is a 50-inch tripod. This comes in a good carry bag. You can see is a waterproof bag with a string to keep it on the shoulder. Here is a tripod. So the two accessories came with it. So here is the tripod leg. So it's a 3 legs, and you can see there are 3 knobs. So there are 3 step extension. This is the lowest one. It can open equally and stand firmly on the ground. You can see here. So now this one is for the camera, so I'm just putting it up. Is the balancing knob here, so you can see if it is balanced or not, and then it comes up. Now I will just, here you can fix your even the accessories or the camera. Now I'm just opening the legs to show you like how long it is. So this is a total 3 legs. One, I just locked one part. So I will just open all the 3 legs, and then individually you have to lock all the pads, all those knobs, so that it will not go back again. So I'm just closing all the legs here. So this is the full length of the tripod. It's a good length, like I said, around like 50 inches, and this is the knob. Now I will just fit my Nokia camera on it. Here, like I just fit my Nokia camera, it fits very well, no issues. With this knob I can turn it up and down, and then it's firm on the ground, no issues with that. This is some accessories that comes. This is like the card that says there are 3 accessories. One, the tripod. One is this like self-clicking button, like a remote button for the iPhones and Android phones. Here you can see 2 buttons, one for the iPhone and one for the Android. This comes with a battery already installed. You can replace it whenever required. Easy to be captured. And this is the mobile holder. So in terms of the camera, you can put this and then it can hold the mobile in it. This is how you fix the mobile.